Welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most in Olympic fashion. If you've never been here before, click the bell and the subscribe button so you're notified every time a new video goes up on SouFLoTV. Andre Grasse of Canada has stunned Noah Lyles of the United States of America to win Olympic gold in the 200 meters. Now, being a Jamaican myself, I had expected a Jamaican to actually place somewhere in the 200 meters, even if it was a bronze medal, but we were nowhere to be found. So this race actually was set up in a different way. This race had the 17-year-old track and field phenomenon, Ariane Knighton, who had already broken Usain Bolt's world record and Usain Bolt's youth record in this particular event. Go look him up. And he's doing this at 17 years old. The kid is still in high school, okay? He was actually the favorite to win this 200 meter. Imagine getting a gold medal in the 200 meter, a sprint at 17 years old. Well, it didn't quite work out that way. However, he was the favorite because he had already beaten Noah Lyles. Anyways, then you had Noah Lyles, who is the defending world champion and the fourth fastest athlete in history, Noah Lyles. Then there was the Canadian, Andre Grasse, who has had one Olympic silver before, and then 3 Olympic bronze medals before, and then 1 world championship silver, and 3 world championship bronze medals. Not to be taken lightly. Obviously, Andre Grasse was a strong competitor, but certainly he was not the favorite to win this race. Now, in the semis, Grasse ran a 19.73, and that was only 1 second off of Noah Lyles' 19.74. And it was way ahead of Ariane Knighton, the 17-year-old phenomenon, because he came in at 19.84. So the stage was set. The showdown was to be between Noah Lyles of the United States of America, the defending champion and the 4th fastest man in the world, our 4th fastest athlete in the world, and Andre Grasse of Canada. Now, we already knew that this matchup was going to be fire, epic, and it was. Everybody was bunched up as the race started out, and we weren't too sure at first who was going to win because they weren't really pulling away from the pack. But that was until they turned that corner for the straightaway to the finish line. Then you saw the Grasse as he started to pull away from the pack. And he did so with a finishing time of 19.62. And this was a new personal best for him, which also now seats him as the 8th fastest athlete ever in history of the 200 meters. Shout out to my Jamaican people. We win some, we can't win everything. I was looking out for Rashid Dwyer, who is Jamaican, to at least place 3rd. Rashid came in somewhere around 7th with a time of 20.21. Remember, 19.62 is the time that Canadian Grasse won his gold medal with. 20.21 is kind of far behind. Now, Grasse has raced against greats in the past, to include greatest of the greats like Usain Bolt and even Noah Lyles. And Noah recently actually outdid him. I believe it was in 2019. Not I believe, I know it was. He outdid him in 2019. So a year and a half, short space time, and he has improved so much that he is now the reigning world champion. Now, I don't know if Noah was having a bad day. I didn't really see all his showmanship and the showboating stuff that he normally does. I don't know if he was being himself. I don't know if he has injuries he was nursing, but none of that matters when you come to the stage. You step to the stage, all stars align, you run with all your might. A smart race, and may the best man win. Shout out to Canada. Canada has the world champion in the Olympics for the 200 meter. Now, Kenny, I believe his name was Kenny Badnarek, he took second place, and he is from the U.S. Noah Lyles took third place, and Noah, in a lot of people's minds, were slated to become the first person to win. If you watch the race between Kenny and between the Grasse of Canada, you will see that was pretty close. That was pretty close. Actually, Arian Knighton, the phenomenal 17-year-old, he took fourth place. So, in essence, the United States of America came in second, third, and fourth. Guess what? This was a sweep that never happened. This was supposed to be their race where they came in, just like how the Jamaican females did the 100-meter finals in Tokyo. Gold, silver, bronze. The United States of America was supposed to sweep the 200-meter men's with gold, silver, and bronze. Instead, they came away with silver and bronze, and one of their fastest, most promising stars, Arian Knighton, coming in fourth. Okay? The sweep that never happened. Perseverance, hard work pays off. After 6 straight years of blood, sweat, and tears, and a whole lot of near misses, he is the man. Andre de Grasse of Canada is Olympic champion, gold medalist of the 2021 Olympics in Tokyo. Look, man, shout out to my Jamaican people. I'm even saying to myself that Andre de Grasse might have some Jamaican in him. Maybe his dad is Jamaican. You know, we like to claim the winners. And I started claiming him, hoping that he had some Jamaican in him somewhere so we could benefit from that gold medal by some distance. But hey, neither here nor there. End of the day, our Jamaican champion who went out there in our uniform, repping for Jamaica, Rashid Dwyer, took 7th place. And we congratulate Rashid for his efforts, but it is what it is. At the end of the day, congratulations to Canada again. Olympic champions, gold medalists in the men 200 meters. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one, and I'll catch you on the next video. It's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.